Do you own a Case IH Quadtrac? Because if you do, I'd recommend watching this video. The engine oil drain plug is starting to strip out the threads from the oil pan, and it turns out it's a common problem, and Case IH even knows about it. They're stripping out on the C13 engines. Threads for the engine oil drain pan strip out when removing the drain plug. Their fix, if you catch it in time, is to add a larger drain plug, part number right there. But if you're already stripped out, their fix is to add a helicoil or to replace the entire engine oil drain pan, which we know nobody's going to do. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix this problem. This one stripped out on me when I was changing the oil. So instead of drilling it out and adding a helicoil, and to reduce the chance of metal shavings in the oil pan, I used a pipe thread tap to make new threads into the hole so I didn't have to drill it out and put a helicoil in there. Then I added grease to the inside to catch the shavings as I was tapping it out. I used a pipe nipple and a valve, as well as a plug on the bottom, for extra safety if the valve does open or fails. To lock it into place, I used Loctite 545. I used that on top of the threads, and then on the bottom of the threads, I used Permatex high temperature thread sealant to make sure there's no oil leaks. If you enjoy content like this, check out my channel, How2Mechanics, so you don't miss out on any tips or tricks on Case IH equipment.